Hi, Brad, Silver Lining Daydreams. Come along with today as I travel with two of my sisters and my brother-in-law searching for property.
What would be the selling point for Michelle?
She's already agreed to it. It was as long as we have like a way to still travel with a camper and see like the Grand Canyon and that type of thing.
Okay.
That says it's private because it's not getting.
No, this is a township road. They don't take them down to the gravel.
No.
They are ice covered in the winter.
Why don't they take them to the gravel?
Because
You
it
just
costs.
push the gravel into the ditch.
Oh,
There's a
gotcha.
permanent
leave it-
residence there.
They leave it ice packed. And people learn how to drive slower on them.
But that's a good thing.
But this is a
I
township
like the
road.
metal roofs.
Yeah.
This is the way a township road will be. Is it yours on the north side of the road or south side of the road?
We're gonna be on the south side.
To the right, south,
South
that
side
would
of the
be,
road.
yeah.
Yep.
We're real close, right?
Yeah, you should be. Well, hopefully it's marked.
There's a snowmobile trail.
I think there's a sign out front.
It's all posted, so.
I'm looking for a stick with a pink ribbon.
This is pretty in here.
Yeah, you should be right in here.
It's kind of exciting.
It is.
Sorry,
I
the
think
window's
it's pretty and it's flat. It's nice because it's not going to be.
Squirrel.
There's the sign right there.
Where?
Right up there. See?
There it is.
That might be it.
And there's the first pink ribbon.
It's this one right here.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
there's your yellow shed right
There's
there.
Yeah.
a for sale sign too.
There's the pole right there.
Okay, we're gonna have to park on
There's-
the road.
Oh, pretty.
Yes, they got you buried.
This is it right here. Oh, there's pretty trees. Almost 3 feet of snow. 2.5 probably actually. Two feet of snow. But who's keeping score? There's an RV. Is that an RV over there, Dale? Here behind you?
Somebody's camper over there.
I wonder what the blue flags are. They come around again.
We're just in the beginning of it.
Okay.
It goes way back. You want to go ahead of me?
Yeah. Wow, I'm surprised at how much snow is here. Way more snow than southern Wisconsin.
I just about tipped over with my problem. Yeah, I probably didn't get to this. No, I think I'm good.
Okay. There is an RV down there. There's a camper down there. So this logging road,
you know, I don't know if this. See, I'm not quite sure, Brad, because it hasn't been divided yet. See, this is about a 10-acre thing, I thought.
this 10-acre tract is not open. I'm sure it's not owned by that trust.
Yeah,
I'm positive because I got the owners. And this one here is another narrow one.
Yep.
And then I think next to that one is a bigger one, if I remember right. But this is wetlands on each side. They have wetlands on some of theirs.
Well, like I said, there's a 10-acre parcel here, but this looks like a 20-acre parcel, what it's showing right now. But like I said, have they divided it off yet?
Oh, I'm sure they did because
right now it doesn't show it as divided off into a 10-acre parcel.
I don't think it's up to date. Well, I can find it out for sure later, Dale.
Well, this not on it.
Yeah. Shelley found the people that own this. She found a YouTube video they made on this property that are selling it.
Yeah, they're what they say.
Oh. We're close to the end of the 10 acres. So Dale's just trying to figure out.
Yeah, there's no signal back here to get that.
We can't get a signal. Okay.
You're on that half of your land.
Okay. So you're saying we're only halfway?
About 2/3.
So we own 1/3 of that. Oh, see that pink ribbon? Do you think that might be it at the end? I don't want to walk there, but... Oh, okay. So yeah, we're on the edge and it goes left.
We're on the west edge.
Okay, so you go about a football field that way we own.
Yeah.
And then you go, I don't know, maybe 2.5 football fields. 2.5 football fields that way would be the end.
Yeah, you got a ways to go.
2.5 football field widths that way, I'm guessing.
Yeah. You got a ways
And
to
then there's the county land.
go. Wow.
Yeah, see, that's why I like this property, Dale.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it's right. You're on the edge of the Price County Forest. Goes all
Isn't it? That's a good thing to have, right?
Oh yeah, nobody can go anything. Yeah, it's all Price County Forest all the way down. Oh, quite a ways.
It's huge. And the county manages it, not the national government. I like that too, right? Because they're going to have local control.
Yeah, you see what you want. You got
Yeah.
a lot of birch in here.
A lot of birch.
Aspen,
Yeah. Yeah, what do we have? Birch.
Aspen, maples.
Okay. Do you see any oak? Might be hard to tell.
I don't see any oak in here right now.
Just an occasional evergreen.
Yeah, you don't have a lot of pine trees.
So yeah, we're real private once you get back from the road, but when you're up towards the road, you're not too far from a camper on each side.